Hi you guys, I'm glad you made it back. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about patio furniture. You know, you put a lot of work in your backyard, from, making your grass nice and deep green, and, you plant all these plants in the back, rose bushes, hedges, whatever, you got nice green backyard, nice and luscious. And what sets your backyard off really nice when you're inviting people over is your patio furniture. And to me, your patio furniture is sort of like your jewelry in your backyard. And what I did was I had these cushion patio furniture last year. And what I did was made cushions for them. I do a little upholstery, so we did some cushions. My girlfriend and I picked out, a really neat color. It was kind of a lime green. And it looked great, The problem was that we live in Oregon and the water got to it, the rain. And we noticed there was mildew, and we have little kids and stuff, and we were worried about the mold, getting somebody sick, so we had to toss them. Unfortunately, that cost a lot of money. We don't have a place to store the cushions off season, so it'd be senseless to make new cushions again. So I was looking for a different alternative. Fabric, patio furniture or any fabric nowadays is not cheap. And to make cushions for a patio furniture, it needs to be a little durable, it needs to be a little weatherproof. So what I decided to do was to do something different and find a different type of furniture that would work great outside with low maintenance, so to speak. And I'm sure you've seen these plastic chairs. I've seen them all the time. To me, they're, it's just, to me, these plastic chairs have been used over and over, and everybody and their mother has them. And I took a really good look at them, and them being plastic, of course, it holds up, with the rain and stuff, but they only come in green and white. And what my girlfriend and I decided to do was to paint them. My girlfriend and I picked this color. It's a fuchsia color, and I think it looks great. Everybody has their opinion about what color they would choose, so pick, obviously pick the color you like, but we chose this fuchsia color. And I just wanted to show you how you can paint one of these chairs for less than $4. So if you have a few of these chairs, the trick is to try and spray one of these with one can. It takes about one can per chair. Anyway, I wanted to show you a quick video of me just shooting the paint on the chair. It's not very hard, it's not very difficult, and it's something that you can easily do. So the first thing you want to do is hose off the chair, make sure there's no dirt, grime on it. And then what you're going to do is take some lacquer thinner or acetone and wipe off any oil that you may see on there, because obviously if oil is on there, the paint won't stick to the surface. Okay, this paint here bonds to plastic. It's by Rust-Oleum. It has a satin gloss to it. You can find this at Home Depot for under $4. Okay, we got our chair cleaned up. We're ready to spray. So we're shaking our can to make sure that the paint is well mixed. I'm wearing on my right hand a rubber glove. So as you can see, what I did is I slapped the table together and I threw the chair up there. And I'm working on the front portion of the chair, just trying to obviously get started here. And I'll do the front because that's usually the first thing you see. Then I'll work a little bit on the sides. If whatever I'm doing here on the right side, or the left side of the chair, my right side, I did the same thing on the opposite side. It's not in the video, just so it could be a short video. Anyway, you can see how I tilted the chair forward. It's a lot easier access. Kind of crunched over to spray the paint. Anyway, you just tilt the chair forward and just continue painting. It's not rocket science. I know some people have done this, some people haven't, and some people just don't know how to spray a chair. And I know it sounds easy, but there's little tricks to it and make it more comfortable. If you're spraying one chair, you can spray it any way you want, but if you got like 10, 12 chairs, you want kind of a little system. Anyway, it looks like we're about done here. So anyway, you can pick these chairs up for anywhere from $3 to $4, $5, $6 at a secondhand store, of course. New, they're about $19 a chair, and they're really cheap to get, provided they're in good condition, obviously. The big part I liked about it, it's very low maintenance. And you know, if you're bored of white or green or whatever other colors they have out there, you know, you can paint it any color you want. Anyway, I hope I saved you some money, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see ya. Bye.